Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the Tecno Camon 30 LOEWE edition. And guys, and this is the customized version, I would say, of the original Camon 30. So it's a box of the Camon 30 LOEWE edition, as you can see, designed by LOEWE. So again, we have 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of internal storage, and this edition is costing around only 50,000 PKR, while the normal version, I would say, it is more expensive as compared to this variant. So on the back we have some more specification. Again, we have a 50 megapixel autofocus selfie camera. Also we have OIS on the back. We have 5000 mAh battery size with a 70-watt super fast charging. On the front we have 6.7-inch AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display. It is a full HD plus. Also we have a IR blaster. We also have in-display fingerprint scanner. So in the specification in this edition, it is exactly the same as we have on the Camon 30. So without any wasting time, let's quickly unbox the Camon 30 LOEWE edition. And the color I have actually is a design edition color. Without any wasting time, let me remove the plastic with my knife. And now let's see that how is the design edition is gonna looks like. So again, we have a different box, I would say, which gives a unique look, I would say. And now let's open this box. So on the top we have one seal. Now let's remove that, and now open this box. So guys, we have a same box actually, and now let's open this box. And guys, on the top we have our envelope, and on the envelope it says designed by LOEWE. So it is customized. Now let's see what else we have in this box. So we have a usual silicone case with 1-year warranty card. We also have a tempered glass. We don't have a customized silicone case with the Camon 30. So here's our Camon 30. Now let's start open from this box. And as you can see, here is a design edition color looks like. As you can see, on the back we have a wiggle leather finish. Also you can see on the back we have a different lines. In these different lines we have a different color. I really like the look of the Camon 30 in this LOEWE edition. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. And you can see on the side it is completely matte, although the side it is made up of plastic. We have in-display fingerprint scanner. So every single thing it is exactly the same. IR blaster, another speaker, another microphone, USB-C speaker, main microphone, headphone jack. So on this side we have our SIM tray. And now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. Actually, we already unboxed the Camon 30, so I will not show you everything of the Camon 30. So again, we have one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. We also have rubber gasket. So on this side it says designed by LOEWE. Here's a display. Again, we have 6.7-inch full HD plus AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate. Now let's see the charger and the cables. So you can see we have exactly the same 70-watt adapter with the Camon 30. Also we have USB-C to USB-A cable. So not a customized adapter or even a cable, but the back of the Camon 30 looks really beautiful with this LOEWE designing on the back. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here is first boot of the Camon 30 in the LOEWE edition. I gotta say, and the icons, I would say it is completely changed as compared to before. I can say that. Now let's see the notification panel. So the notification panel looks really similar. Anyways, now let's see the wallpapers. So here are all the wallpapers we have in this phone in this LOEWE edition Camon 30. Again, you can see, let's go to the settings. My phone, we have Android 14 with iOS version 14, powered by Helio G99 Ultimate SoC. And the main thing about the Camon 30 LOEWE edition is the customized back, I would say. Even the frame, we have a matte frame, you cannot see fingerprints. Also the back has a wiggle leather finish, which feels, I would say, really premium in the hand. Although we have 5000 mAh battery size, and this one also has a 70-watt fast charging. And the price of the Camon 30 is dropped as compared to before, and this phone, I would say, it makes more sense as compared to before. And this phone is more worth it, I would say. So that's about it, and thanks so much for watching this unboxing and a quick review, I would say, of the Camon 30 LOEWE edition, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.